teacher is happy, of course. Okay. So now, Lily, we will continue the last topic that we had. Do you still remember it? You remember it, Lily?
Yeah. Yes.
What is the topic? It's 40? 40B?
Yes.
Yeah, 40B. Okay. Hi, Lily. Good evening. Oh.
Good evening.
Oh, it's Daisy. I hear Daisy. Are you Daisy?
No.
Looks like I hear Daisy. Where is Daisy? I thought you're Daisy. Your voice looks like Daisy. I hear it Daisy. Oh, where's my eyeglass? We have the same eyeglass.
Yes, because today
Yeah.
I don't good.
Why? What happened?
Because I sick.
Oh, you're sick. Oh, Lily. You're not good. You will say, today I'm not good, teacher. I am sick. Again?
Today I don't good, teacher.
I am not good.
Sick.
I am not feeling.
I am not good.
Feeling. Sorry. I am not feeling good. Again?
I am not feeling good.
Very good. Because?
Because I am sick.
Very good. What happened? Why you are sick?
I don't know.
Oh, it sounds so bad. You got sick and what did you drink? You drink a medicine? You drink medicine, Lily? Medicine. You know what is medicine?
No, I don't drink.
Ah, you don't. What did you drink? Milk?
I don't know. I don't drink medicine.
Oh, you don't drink anything, but you're not feeling good. Okay, now look at this one. We're done with this, right? We'll continue our topic here. We're done. Word number 10 here. We're done. I remember. This is the one. Now, look at here. Have you seen? Kindly check part 6 about the panda. Okay, did you find it? Did you find in your paper?
Fine.
Okay, did you find in your paper? Look at your paper. Part 6, look at pandas. Did you see pandas?
Pandas.
Oh, you try to look at there. Look at the paper, pandas.
Yes.
Okay, now, have you read or did you see pandas? Can you read about pandas?
Yes.
Okay, read it, Lily. Thank you. Pandas?
Pandas are beautiful animals and people love them. They have white borders, black legs and shoulder, black ear and brown, black eyes. The panda's name is sometimes panda bear, but it is a pair.
Okay. What's the answer for number 1? You continue reading and please answer.
These.
Oh, sorry. These bears.
These bears.
Okay, the answer is these bears. Very good. Have short. Oh, continue reading, please. Continue reading, Lily. These bears.
These bear have. These bear have short legs, big feet, round ear, and black nose. Panda have no. Panda have all.
Very good.
All
Things.
things.
But.
All things. All things. But
Okay.
they are a different kind of animal.
It's kind of animal. Okay, go, Lily. Continue reading.
It's kind of animal. Some people say why? Because they in eat meat.
Okay.
They eat meat, fish or fruit, brown, black, and white bears can eat two foods. But pandas can only eat one kind of plant. There aren't a lot of pandas in the world now.
Very good. Thank you, Lily. Okay, Lily, can you read this one? Wait for a while. I need to underline them. Okay, I will underline all the words that you have to read. Kind. Okay, so please try to read the words that I underline red, Lily. Shoulders. Shoulders. Sometimes. Lily, sometimes. Follow teacher.
Sometimes.
Different. Okay. Kind. Okay. Now, Lily, again, what is your answer for number 1? Tell me your answer number 1. I will write here. What is your answer for number 1? This? This is the answer for number 1?
These bear. These
bears. Number 2, what's the answer for number 2? Your answer
is all.
Oh, very good. Number 4, what's your answer? Say. Number 5? Don't. Okay. Teacher Ann will read it again and please listen how Teacher Ann read it, okay? Your answers are all correct. Very good. Okay. I will read it again and please follow in the paper. Okay. Listen as teacher will going to read about pandas. Okay. Now, ready. Pandas are beautiful animals and people love them. They have white bodies, black legs and shoulders, black ears, and round black eyes. The panda's name is sometimes panda bear, but it is a bear. These bears have short legs, big feet, round ears, and black noses. Pandas have all things, but they are different kind of animal. Some people white. Why? Because they say eat meat, fish, or fruit. Brown, black, and white bears can eat those foods. But pandas can only eat one kind of plant. There aren't a lot of pandas. Don't the world now. That is in the world now. The answer for number 5, because they don't eat milk. Okay, this is the correct answer, Lily. This is don't. This is in. Okay. This is don't. Okay. You've got 3 correct answers. Okay. Why? Because they don't eat meat, fish, or fruit. Brown, black, and white bears can eat those food. There aren't a lot of pandas in the world now. Oh, see? So you've got 3 correct answers. That's very good of you, Lily. Okay, next one. So now, what is your next material? Next paper. Can you check next paper? Okay.
Yes.
Do you have 40 letter D?
Yes.
Okay. Let's have 40 letter
It's
D.
a to and about.
Okay, wait for a while. I need to check. Okay, for a while. Okay, wait for a while. Okay. $40D. Okay, I will check the $40D. Hindi man siya mapakita. Yan. Okay, wait for a while. Ipanglabay mo. Sagot. Okay, for a while, Lily. Okay, I will share you 40D. Oh, wait for a while. I will show you the screen for 40D. In 40D, we have here do and about. Is that correct? Do and about, Lily. Is teacher correct? Do and about. Do and about, Lily. Lily.
What?
Do and about is the title. Do and about.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do and about.
Okay, very good. Do and about here. Next here, look at the amusement park. Okay. What have you seen in the amusement park? Do you know what is amusement park? Do you know what is that, Lily? It's a?
What?
Do you know what is amusement park? What is that? It's a?
Newspaper. It's a park.
Yeah, it's a park. What can you see there?
I play.
Oh, you can see the horses. What else? Different play, right? Okay. Now, Lily, can you read about my busy day? Can you read that? Lily, can you read my busy day?
Busy day?
Yeah, you read now.
Yes.
Okay.
I am at math late. Math Missing
Day.
land. With my family, Maryland.
Okay, continue. Go, Lily, continue reading. Okay, continue. Magic Land. Okay, go. Yes. Magic Land
is an
amusement park.
Amusement park. We are very exciting and happy. Ella is on the merry-go-round with Mom. The merry-go-round is boring. Cody and I went to ride the roller coaster. The roller coaster is a thrilling ride.
Okay, here. Now, repeat after teacher. Magic. Amusement. Excited. Thrilling. Thrilling. Okay. You know what is excited? You know that word, excited? Yeah, you know that word? You know, Lily, you know the word excited or no? You know?
No.
Okay, example. Teacher Anne will go to the park. Your mom will go to the shopping mall. And your mom tell you, Lily, I will go to shopping mall. Okay, and you say, yes, mom. When your mom go back to your house, she bring you or she bought you something, a big doll. And you are very excited. Ah, really? I have a big doll. So you are excited. You understand that? Oh, you understand excited now?
Yes.
Okay. How about thrilling? You know the word thrilling?
Whoa.
You know the word thrilling?
What thrilling?
Thrilling. Example, you watch the movie. And then, you like watching movie, Lily?
Watching movie?
Yes. Yeah, you like, okay. You like movie, you watch movie. And then, you find that there is a ghost. You know what is ghost? Horror, scary movie, very scary. You're scared, you're afraid, like that. You understand that? You understand afraid movie? Like you are very, oh my God, there is a ghost. Oh, and then you found out that the ghost will going to catch you. And you run, and run. So that is the thrilling ride. You run a lot. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Oh, thrilling is you keep on running because, and the ghost will going to touch you. So the story about Lily and the ghost is thrilling. Okay. So that's thrilling. Okay. Now, in thrilling, if you are thrilled, Lily, you will be happy, you will be sad, you will be, you have mixed emotion, different emotion. Like you are happy, you are sad, you are scared, you are afraid, like that. It's thrilling. Thrill. It's mixed emotion, different feelings. That's thrilling. Okay, do you understand? Lily girl?
Yes.
Okay, teacher. Okay, here now. Look at, very good, Lily. Look at here. Oh. Now, Read and match. Number 1, can you read and match number 1? Finn's family.
Families.
Okay.
Families.
Finn's,
I am family is
Finn's family is
Amusement Park.
okay at the amusement.
Amusement.
Okay, at the amusement park. Okay, number 2. Finn's mom.
His mom is on the merry-go-round.
Oh, Finn's mom is on the merry. It's not Mary, it's Mary.
Merry-go-round.
No, it is where there is horse, Lily. Okay, this one is merry-go-round. This one in the way the horse. If you can see a horse and they are turning around, that's merry-go-around. Have you ride merry-go-around? You ride already? The horse?
Ready?
You ride the horse?
Horse?
Yeah.
No.
No, teacher. Okay. Number 2, it's on the very good. Next, number 3. Finn? Finn?
Fence.
It's not.
Dress mark.
Finn is not.
Ben is not
Scared.
of around roller
Coaster. Very good, Lily. Okay, now look at this one. Okay, can you read the word practice? What is boring? Do you understand the word boring? Look at that one. Boring. Look at the girl. It's boring, teacher. Can you see that number? Can you see the picture boring?
Yes.
You understand what is boring?
Yes.
Buanchan. It's buanchan. Next, yeah. Next, exciting. You know what is exciting? You understand exciting?
Exciting.
Yeah, you understand?
Yes.
Okay, it's how wrong. Next, thrilling. Oh, look at thrilling. Do you understand now the word thrilling? Hoi hop? You understand? Look at the picture and the thrilling. Can you see the picture of the thrilling? Lily, look at the picture of the thrilling. Can you see that? You understand now thrilling?
Yes.
Yeah, you understand thrilling? Okay, next, scary. Did you understand the word scary? Lily, scary. Do you understand the word scary? Do you understand scary? Lily?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Lily, can you make sentence using the word boring? Can you make sentence using the word boring? Can you make sentence using the word boring? Okay. Teacher Ann will make sentence. Oh, wait for a while. Teacher Ann will make sentence using the word boring here. And you will give me next sentence. Okay? Boring. Okay, I'm here. I feel boring today. Okay. Okay, how about you? Lily, give me the word or sentence using boring. Go, Lily. Yeah, go. Can you make sentence using boring?
Boring.
Okay. Okay, for a while, Lily, you write in the paper the word. Okay, let us, show me your, do you have paper, Lily? You have paper? Paper. Paper, Lily. Show me your face.
Paper.
Yeah, show me your face first. Show me your face. Okay, here. Show me your face first. Where is, oh, like that. Lily, look at here. In here, you get paper and then you write there sentence like this. Look at teacher. I feel boring today. Can you see the sentence of teacher? Can you see the sentence of teacher?
Yes.
Okay. You will write in the paper, I feel boring today, or you make your own sentence. Boring. Another,
Boring.
yeah. In the sentence, you make like this. I feel boring today in the paper. You write in the paper your sentence. Okay. Another is exciting. Okay.
Exciting.
Okay. You make sentence using exciting like this. I am exciting. Okay. I am very, I feel very exciting. Okay. You make it in the paper.
Okay.
Okay.
I write.
Oh, you write in the paper. Ah, here. Do you know how to write here?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, you write here. Okay. And also scary and also thrilling. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, the 4. You write there. While you are writing, teacher will go to the bathroom first. Okay, you write in the computer. Okay? Teacher will go to the bathroom for a while.
So finish.
Okay, are you done, Lily, or not yet? Ah, okay, I will wait. Are you done or not yet? Lily, please tell me if you are done.
Yet. I
Okay.
feel don't cry.
Oh, I feel don't scary. Okay, yeah, another. How about thrilling? Did you make sentence for thrilling?
True.
Yeah, thrilling. Thrilling. Did you make sentence?
True.
Yeah. Tell me if you're done.
What?
You're done answering. Tell me. Okay, did you make Lily? Lily, did you make the sentence? Not yet. Lily, did you make the sentence? Not yet. Did you hear teacher?
What?
Did you write sentence?
Yet.
Okay, where is it? Where is the sentence? Where is the sentence? It's here.
It's here.
Where is it?
I feel don't cry.
Oh, I feel don't scary. It's scary.
Scary.
I feel don't scary. Good. Thank you, Lily. But I guess you will say, I am not scary. Or I feel don't. Okay. I feel I don't have. Okay, scary. I watch scary movie. Oh, like that. Look at this, Lily. I watch scary movie. You can see that one. I watch scary movie. This one. Again, Lily. I watch scary movie. Okay, this one.
I watch scary movie.
I feel very exciting.
I feel very exciting.
I feel boring today.
I feel boring today.
Okay. The movie. Okay, wait, teacher will watch. Okay. Here. The movie is quite thrilling. The movie is quite thrilling. Again. Lily, the movie is quite thrilling.
The movie is quite
Thrilling. Okay.
thrilling.
Again, I will read. I feel boring today.
I feel boring today.
I feel very exciting.
I feel very exciting.
Okay, for I watch scary movie.
I watch a scary movie.
The movie is quite thrilling.
The movie is quite thrilling.
Okay, very good. Thank you for reading, Lily. Okay, I will erase now. Okay, these are the words. Now you understand these words, Lily? You understand these words?
Yes.
Boring, exciting, scary, and thrilling. Okay, now look at this one. Okay, what is your answer? You will have to choose and write the correct word. Okay, what's the answer for number 1? Can you see the answer for number 1? What is the answer for number 1? Boring, exciting, scary, or thrilling? What's the answer? Lily. Boring, exciting, scary, or thrilling? Lily, what's your answer?
Is boring.
Boring. Next. Oh, let's see number 1. Okay, I will write here. I don't like the merry-go-round. It's boring. Okay, number 2. What's your answer?
I like roller coaster. They are.
I like roller coaster. Look at the picture number 2. I like roller coaster. They are
Thrilling.
they are thrilling. Oh, yeah, they're thrilling. Look at the one in the picture. You want to ride a roller coaster? You want to ride, Lily? Lily, you want to ride roller coaster?
Roller coaster.
You want to ride? Want to ride? No. Or yes? Okay. Number 3 answer. Okay, you read number 3. Read. Read, Lily, read. I don't like. Okay, you read in the paper.
I don't like this movie. It's very scary.
Scary, very good. Number 4. What's your answer for number 4? Number 4, what's your answer?
Rock climbing is exciting. Is dangerous too.
Dangerous. Dangerous. Again,
Dangerous.
oh, you know the word dangerous?
Dangerous.
You know that word? You know that word? Dangerous? You know that word, Lily?
Dangerous.
You know that word? No. You know that word? Dangerous? No.
Dangerous.
You know that word?
Oh no.
Okay. Number 5. The amusement dangerous is, look at this one. Look at number 4. Can you see number 4 picture? Can you see? Lily, look at picture number 4. Can you see that? Okay, look at the picture in number 4. Look at number 4. Number 4 picture. In number 4 picture, the man is climbing. Okay, it's very dangerous. Look at that one. It's very dangerous and scary. Can you see that one? Can you see? Lily? Can you see the picture?
Can you see the picture?
Okay, number 4. Look at number 4 picture, Lily. Number 4.
Number 4.
Look at number 4. Can you see that?
Number 4. Rock climbing is exciting.
Exciting, but it's dangerous. Can you see the picture now?
Yes.
Okay. You understand what is dangerous, Lily? Danger.
Yes.
Dangerous. It means it's not good. Look at the picture. Oh my God. Okay, number 5. You answer number 5. This is the last activity. Number 5. Read, please. The amusement park.
The amusement park is
Exciting.
Exciting play. We love it.
Okay, it's an exciting place. We love it. Okay. Now, Lily, do you know already the meaning of the word? Boring, exciting, scary, and thrilling. Do you know this word? Do you know the meaning?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Lily, finally. Okay. So, Lily, now, do you have other question to teacher? You have question to teacher Ano?
No.
Okay. So, show me your face now because we will have to say goodbye to teacher. Okay, Lily, where are you? Okay, here, show me your face. Okay, Lily. Okay, for now, Lily, where is your face? I want to see your face because I want to say goodbye for now.
Goodbye, teacher.
Oi, Lily, goodbye and see you on Monday, okay? Monday.
Okay.
We will continue our lesson, Unit 40D, okay?
40D.
Do and about, okay?
Okay.
Okay, where is Daisy?
My dad is sleeping now.
And you are not yet sleeping. Okay, you sleep after this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Where's your mom? Sleeping also?
Yes.
Oh, Lily. Okay, bye, Lily. Thank you for the time.
Teacher.
See you. Okay, good night, Lily girl. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.